Is it time to buy or sell Edible Garden Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Edible Garden Incorporated stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Edible Garden Incorporated as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 38.61% since we initially recommended purchasing Edible Garden Incorporated 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 19.31% per day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it might go either way. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been broken at $4.33. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $6.50 will be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 21.89% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 47.09% to an increase of 5.83%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 15.39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from a decline of 88.53% to an increase of 15.39% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 572 ten-thousandths of a dollar and $5.76. Our latest daily update for Edible Garden AG Incorporated includes the headline, High Volatility in Edible Garden AG Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $4.99. The Edible Garden AG Incorporated stock price gained 38.61% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, rising from $3.60 to $4.99. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 37.93%, with a day low of $4.56 and a day high of $6.29. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 116.02% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 23 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 109 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $541,590,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $6.29, and the lowest price was 12.2 cents. Currently, the price is 20.67%, or $1.30, below the 52-week high, and 99.72%, or $1,795.01, below the all-time high reached on the 5th of May, 2022, when the price peaked at $1,800. Edible Garden AG Incorporated recently made headlines with multiple strategic advancements and initiatives aimed at positioning itself in a growing market. On the 20th of May, 2025, the company launched its Kick sports nutrition product line on Amazon, aligning itself with the booming global sports nutrition market. This step could attract new customers and significantly boost sales, positively impacting the stock price in the short term. Just days earlier, Edible Garden reported substantial growth in its first quarter of 2025 financial results, showcasing a 15% increase in non-perishable revenue and gross profit nearly quadrupling year over year. This strong financial performance, coupled with a clear strategic focus on higher-margin, shelf-stable products, bolsters investor confidence and may lead to upward pressure on the stock. Additionally, the company has enhanced its balance sheet through a $12 million acquisition of sustainable farming assets from Natural Shrimp Farms, which adds patented technology and boosts shareholder equity. This acquisition not only diversifies its offerings, but also strengthens its research and development capabilities, paving the way for long-term growth. Edible Garden's successful distribution expansion, including agreements with major retailers and the rollout of its unique Pickle Party product line, suggests ongoing enhancements to its market presence. Collectively, these initiatives indicate a robust strategic direction. Investors may view these developments favorably, potentially leading to a sustained positive impact on EDBL stock performance in both the short and long term. Analysts have assigned Edible Garden Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Edible Garden AG Incorporated. The Edible Garden AG Incorporated stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $2.74 and $2.20. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, April 16, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 168.28%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 58 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Edible Garden Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.84. Without support from accumulated volume below this level, the risk increases, as a drop below the support could result in a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.73 between its high and low, representing a change of 37.93%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 25.99%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Edible Garden Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may highlight inadequate profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at negative 0.740. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Edible Garden Incorporated. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise quickly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Edible Garden Incorporated faces its first support level at $3.84. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Edible Garden Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 29th of November, 2024, when Kraz James E. executed an insider purchase of 22,200 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.83, representing a decline of 3.24%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which entails a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 88, further elevating the risk involved. However, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is Edible Garden AG Incorporated stock a good buy? Edible Garden AG Incorporated presents several positive indicators. However, these signals alone do not make it a compelling buy at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of May, we anticipate Edible Garden AG Incorporated will open higher by 290 cents, starting trading at $5.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.